Hello, everyone. You're welcome to today's episode of Your Story, Our View. Yes, we have a story of a young lady who has approached us. She just lost her husband. She's from the eastern part of Nigeria, and the families came up, threw her out, and took away the properties of the husband. Yes, according to them, the culture of the eastern part of Nigeria does not permit a woman, precisely a wife, to inherit the property of her husband. Yes, I want to let you know that under the law, if your marriage is marriage under the Act, you have every right to the property of your husband. Well, if unfortunately your husband died intestate, died without leaving behind a will, yes, you are entitled under the succession law. And if the property is in Lagos State or any state at all, there are succession laws of different states. Lagos State succession law specifies that 1/3 of the property of that husband is automatically yours if your marriage is marriage under the Act. Now, if it is the woman that dies, 1/3 of the property of the woman also goes to the man. So the culture that you cannot inherit the property of your husband does not hold. As a matter of fact, it's inconsistent with the provisions of the Constitution. And under the law, any culture or cultural practice that is inconsistent with the a provisional constitution, the letters and the spirit of the constitution, that cultural practice is null and void as to the inconsistency. So we have told the young lady that she has every right to inherit the property of her husband, at least 1/3 of the estate of the husband, because the marriage she contracted was a legal marriage. When I say legal marriage now, I'm talking about marriage under the Act. The one you go to court to do, or the registry to do, or the one you go to church to do. These are called marriage under the Act. And remember, it is the right under the law that you have 1/3 of the estate, the entire estate of the husband goes to the wife. And if it is the wife that dies, the entire estate, 1/3 of the entire estate of the woman goes to the man. So if you're out right there and your right is being deprived you lost your husband, and the families are trying to chase you out of the house, or they want to take over the property of the man, please do not hesitate to contact any non-governmental organization. You can contact Women Empowerment and Legal Aid. We're always available to redress your rights for you. Or better still, you may find any other human rights organization to help you. Our address is at number 25 Adekunle Fajoiwe, GRA Ikeja, or number 20 Anoluapo Street, off Otubu bus stop, Agege. Always remember, your right is your right. Defend your rights, fight for your rights, and you will get your rights. Until next week, I want to wish you a wonderful time at work, and I say God bless you all.